In previous video, we have been learned about how to insert a pivot table. Now we are going to learn about inserting a slicer. Okay, slicer is nothing but filter tab. It will look good when you are inserting a slicer instead of using this filter option. You can use a filter option also. The slicer is a one more tool which is recently introduced. Okay, in data you have a slicer. Okay, slicer. Once you selected a slicer, you can able to see here. Okay, you can select and drag wherever you would like to place. You can place that one. Click and drag and place where you like to place. And now slicer editors are on a right hand side. You have, okay, and you can select the data. You can select the data here by click on here. Click here. Okay, select the data range. You say sheet 1 from B2 to this one data I would like to select. This is the data I have been selected for the construction of the pivot table. So we'll select this particular data. Okay, then it is asking to choose a column which one you would like to filter. I say name of the client I would like to filter. Okay, so whenever you are using this slicer, you can see all are selected now. If I like to filter one particular person, clear, I will say this particular person. Okay, so I will get a detail about only that particular person. If I say no, this particular person also need to be included, I will get a detail related to those two persons sales data. In the sense, these slicers will be used as a filter only. These slicers are used as a filter only. To get it back all, we have to select all here. If you like to clear all, clear all. Okay, nothing will be selected. If you like to select all, select here, select all will be marked and click on OK. Like this, we can use a slicer. We can insert multiple slicer here. Data slicer. Okay, for a sheet 1 for this particular data. Okay, then again click and drag here and choose a column. For example, I will select a status. Okay, here. So by selecting any one, yes, this is a for a more than 3000. That yes was for a more than 3000. No was for a less than 3000. Like that, we can manage a data or filter the data by using a slicer. This is about adding a slicer to the pivot table.